Hi, this is Steve with Western Timber Frame. This year we're doing our 2019 photo contest, and the theme is Moments in Paradise. We'd love to see your guys' photos, so please submit them. So grab your family and gather around for a night of games, dinner, and photographs. Or take a look at your hard drive, and odds are that you may already have the perfect picture just waiting to be discovered. Then submit your pictures to pics@westerntimberframe.com with the subject line Photo Contest 2019. Or you can post your picture to social media with the hashtag momentsinparadise. Be sure to get your pictures in before February 28, 2019. Once all the pictures are in, they'll be uploaded to Facebook for voting by our fans. At the end of voting, 3 winners will be chosen by you. You'll have a chance to win one of these 3 prizes. Third place will win lights, mounting equipment, and a dimmer switch. Second place will win this awesome fire pit so that you can spend some time in the evening outside with your family. First place will win this fabulous wooden swing with cup holders and a mounting bracket. These prizes are hand-picked by our staff to perfectly accentuate and enhance your shadescape kit. So submit your picture now for a chance to win one of these fabulous prizes.